am Seema Shahane. I was one of the directors for the ICST production, which was the second play of the day today. And I'm extremely proud to be associated with Natya Darpan. As you all know, and if you don't know, Natya Darpan is a multilingual one-act play festival that happens once a year here in New Brunswick, New Jersey. And over a period of 11 years, it has grown to be something of a prestige for our state, a prestige for our Southeast Asian community, and now a prestige for international community as well. I have been working with Natya Darpan, like I said, since its conception. I have had the opportunity to act on this prestigious stage. I have an opportunity to MC multiple times. I have been associated with Ashok for a decade almost, and it is just growing. And what can I say? It's amazing to watch something you started as a baby grow into this beautiful, beautiful adult. Thank you, Natya Darpan, and wishing you all the best.
Hi, I'm Satyajit Deshpande. We just performed our play called Dal Dal. It's a Hindi intense play, and we are getting great response from everybody from the audience. It's been like 6-7 years I'm associated with Natya Darpan. I have directed, produced plays, and this time I acted in the play. Like every year, this was again like great experience, and I'm really thankful to Mr. Ashok Chaudhary for giving us this opportunity to perform year after year. So, thank you so much, and cheers to Natya Darpan. And over to you, Nikhil.
Thank you. Hi, I'm Nikhil Sathe. I also was a part of the Hindi play Dardal. This is Satya, my probably 5th or 6th year associate Natya Darpan, my 3rd performance as an actor, and I co-hosted as an MC 1 year as well. So special thanks to Ashok ji for starting this platform. I think all of us have been involved in various years in different projects. Yeah. And then good luck to all the future Natya Darpans as well. Look forward to this every single year. All right, thank you.